to say yes in Khasi, you have to say oi.
Hoi.
Oi.
Hoit.
Hoit.
Huh?
Hoit.
You?
Hoit.
You?
Hoit.
That's okay. To say no. To say no in Khasi, M.
You start.
M. How to say no in Khasi?
M.
You?
M.
You? Say. We are not going to repeat again. How to say no in Khasi?
M.
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 Not M only.
M.
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 Guys, I'm also learning, okay? It is like M. So all of you have one point. So how to say please? Please in Khasi you have to say sneuba.
Sneba. You start.
Sneuba.
Sneba. Sneba.
You?
Sneba.
You?
Sneba.
Okay. She want to take it. Look on the camera. KG, look here. You like this?
Bye.
Bye. Love you guys. Our neighbor's kid, she's saying bye to you guys.